This is Roger. How are you doing today?
Yes, hello, I'm doing good. I just have this message on my computer. It's telling me that there's a virus or something like suspicious movement distinguished on your IP address, and it's telling me to call this number.
Mhm. I will certainly check it for you. Do you know what is your IP address?
No, I don't. I don't know what your I don't know what an IP address is. Is that like my physical address?
No. It's your internet address. Don't worry, we will find out. Actually, if your IP address, there are some disturbances on your IP address, then your Windows security will block your computer till the time your IP address has not been rectified. That is
Okay.
why you have our number on the screen so that you can call us and have it everything checked. I'll introduce myself. My name is Roger, and I work for the Windows Web Security team. I connect your computer with the Windows server, and from there we can have it all investigated for you.
All right.
Now, please look on the computer keyboard.
Okay.
Have a look at the computer keyboard. Do you see the space bar at the very bottom?
The space bar? Yes, I do.
Now, if you look on the left hand side of the space key, you will see an Alt key, ALT.
Okay. Yes, I see that.
And on the left hand side of the Alt, you will see the Microsoft Windows key. It looks like a flag.
Okay. Yes, I also see that.
What you have to do now is press and hold that Microsoft key. And while you're holding it, you have to tap once on the letter R, R like Romeo.
Okay. Alright, so now I see at the bottom left corner of my screen it says run, type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you.
Fantastic. Now we are pinging directly with the Windows server. So you can leave the Windows key now from your keyboard, leave it.
Okay?
And in this box, you have to type I explore. It's IEXPLORE.
Okay, IEXPLORE.
Now put a space.
Okay, a space.
And then type support. SUPPORT.
Okay, SUPPORT.
Now put a dot like a period.
Okay, a dot.
Then type M as in mother.
Okay, M as in mother.
And E as in echo.
And E as in echo.
Yeah. So you should have there iExplore space support.me.
Yes, that's what I have.
Very good. Now there are three options below. OK,
Okay.
cancel and browse. You have to click on OK.
Alright. Alright, so now I see it says support
And after
connection.
clicking on OK, please.
Yeah, I see it says
That's
support
right.
connection.
I will give you a number that you have to type there. I'll give you a number that you have to type there. It will connect you with a rescue center from where we can check up everything. It is
Okay.
616054.
616054.
That's right.
Alright. So, and then I click on start download.
So put in that number and then click on start download. Yeah.
Alright.
Now when you click on start download, you'll see a little box there at the very bottom of the screen which is asking you if you want to run it or save it. Do not click on save, click on run.
Okay. Alright, I'll click on run.
You'll, when you click on run, you'll see it says running security scan. This scan will tell us each and everything, why your computer got blocked, what kind of problem you have on your IP address, and how do we rectify it. It will give us all the answers.
Okay, so now I see it says
You'll
user.
see it says user account control. Yeah, click on OK.
Yes, yeah, I see that. I just clicked on OK, and then it's asked me, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, log me, and rescue
Yeah, click
applets?
on yes.
Okay.
Click on yes.
Alright, so now I see it says waiting for technician.
Yes, sir. My name will appear there. It says Roger Summers would like to perform one or more actions. When you see that, please click on OK.
Alright, I just clicked on OK.
Thank you very much. I have your computer screen in front of me. I'll take care of this. Let me investigate everything. I'm giving you a number. This is your investigation ID.
Okay.
Please grab a pen.
Alright.
The case ID for this particular investigation is MS 514779.
Okay.
Make a note of it, please. The technician, I am one of the technicians who has been assigned on this case. My name is Roger Summers. And I work for Windows Web Security Team.
Okay.
Okay?
Give me one
I'll
second.
be creating a diagnostic report. This is a free report. You don't have to pay anything for it.
Okay.
So the error that you are reporting it says suspicious movements have been distinguished on your IP address, which because of destructive inspections introduced in your PC.
Okay.
Can you please tell me, sir, that in this computer, like, have you downloaded something recently from the internet?
I haven't downloaded much recently. I mean, I don't use this computer for much other than, like...
Okay, there is a VPN thing that was downloaded back in March. Okay?
Okay, I mean... That,
And then there was a Process Explorer that was downloaded recently. So why do you need a VPN?
I mean, I use that OpenVPN thing. It's for my work. It's something that my work requires that I use.
When you launch the VPN, what connections do you establish with the VPN?
I don't know. All I know is that, like, I need to do that to access, like, the computers in my office.
This is a work computer.
No, this is my personal computer, but I've had to work from home. So, like, the IT department where I work for told me that I have to use this OpenVPN.
Can you please show me, like, when you open this the VPN thing, how do you use it?
How do I use my VPN? So I go to, I go down to the bottom right of my screen, and then there's like an icon that I have to find. Hold on. Let me see. It's this right here, right? And then I select the 25,000 one, and then I connect.
Okay. Now please put in your password.
Do I need to pass? Okay, give me a second. Okay, well, it takes some time. Okay. Wow, this guy actually knows what VPN is. Wow.
Now I'm just checking to make sure whether the problem that you're facing is because of the VPN settings or not.
Okay.
Well, so far I'm not getting any negative reports, which is a good news.
So what is this? Request timed out? Is that bad or?
No, that's fine. That's good.
Okay.
Alright, let me disconnect you from the VPN.
Okay. Oh, this guy actually knows how to use
Let me check the
OpenVPN?
ping settings once
Wow.
again. Now, apart from this computer, which is in your home, how many other devices are connected with the internet?
I have two other devices, so I have my phone and an iPad.
Hmm. Just give me 2 more minutes here. I will be able to get to the bottom of this.
Okay.
There's a program called TeamViewer on this computer. How often do you use this program?
Fairly often. That's also something that I use for work.
Okay. Do you have to often use websites like Doc to PDF wherein you have to convert it?
Yes, occasionally I do.
Some of the websites that you have visited, they are not pretty safe and secure in your system.
Oh, okay.
Now, if you look at the history closely, every time you are opening something, things are going to itsurfnow.com. That over
Okay.
here. And then they're redirecting you.
Okay.
Basically, what I'm trying to say over here is that your web browsers, your
Okay.
web browser seems to be contaminated.
Okay.
Let me check the scanning results. I want you to please look over here, sir. This is why your computer has been placed on a blockage. If you see, this is the reliability monitor, which checks and reviews your computer's reliability and problem history. It
Okay.
sends us a report periodically. The last report that we got from it was at 3 p.m. today. So that
Okay.
was around an hour ago. Okay?
Okay.
And according to the report, it says that your computer was dealing with several application failures as well as Windows failures. This Windows failures is the major reason why your computer is acting up and it got blocked.
Okay.
I hope you understand that you are using the Microsoft Windows 10, and if you see over here, several Microsoft apps are being forcefully stopped by the untrusted websites that have opened on the computer. This
Okay.
is your system configuration. You check it over here. These are the Microsoft apps that are supposed to be running in the computer, but they are still stopped. They are not working anymore.
Okay.
All right. This is what it means by Windows failures. So when you get this message over here, suspicious movements have been distinguished on your IP address because of a destructive infection introduced in your PC. This is what the suspicious movements are. From your IP address, everything is getting blocked. These apps are not getting enough permissions to work and perform their designed task, the designated task. If you read these warnings that have been sent to you, say name resolution, WPAT, it can lead to identity theft, sir.
Okay.
Okay, that is why you're facing this problem. Now your computer will not work without these services getting back running in the running condition. So
Okay.
there are two things that I have to do. First of all, I need to scan up your system and get rid of the destructive infection. Okay.
Okay.
Then I will be cleaning up your IP address so that I can restart all of these services. Once that has been done, all right,
Okay.
we will go back to the errors and the warnings that we have identified and we'll fix it, which will make sure that your computer will become reliable again and it will be ready for you to use again.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. So.
The total time that it will take us to do all of this is like 1 hour.
Okay.
And it will cost you $199.99 to get everything taken care of. That's the standard technician fee to repair the problem that you have right now.
Okay. So. So this is just like fixing this issue is just gonna cost me like the $200 that you said.
That is right, sir.
Okay.
Now, I want you to please go ahead and type your full name in this box over here.
Okay.
All right. What's your email address?
Go.
Please type your phone number.
Phone number.
And how would you like to pay for this, the $200?
Do you accept credit cards? Because I can just use that.
Yeah.
Yes, so I can just pay using my credit card.
Give me the card number. Type it over here.
Give me 1 second. I need to go get the card. Alright, so I have the cards. You just type the card number in, alright? So.
And this is a credit card, right?
Yes, this is a credit card.
And is it from Capital One, Bank of America? Which bank is it from? Which financial institute is it
Yeah,
from?
it's a Northwatch Bank.
Okay. Please type the expiration date of the card. there must be a 3-digit number at the back of the card, sir.
Yeah, alright.
I'll need your billing address.
Alright, give me a second. Alright.
Alright, thank you very much. I'm going to go ahead and get the cleanup done. It will take us around 40 minutes to repair up everything.
Okay.
And one thing that I would like to recommend you to do to make sure that you do not face these kind of problems again from here onwards is to have a proper security on your IP address. See, you got into this problem only because you did not have a proper protection on the IP address. Your computer is already protected with the Windows security. If you look on the computer screen, this is
Okay.
a Windows security that protects and guards your computer. Okay?
Okay.
So, when your IP address got compromised, there should be a security on the IP address, especially now once it has already got exposed, right?
Okay.
Without the security, these kind of things may happen again, and you would not be able to continue using the computer for a longer period of time. I mean to say, your details will not remain safe and secure without the security.
Okay.
The security comes in two different types, a basic protection and an advanced protection. Now, if you use this computer only for work-related things, okay?
Okay.
And let's say for some entertainment like watching movies and all, okay, you can have the basic protection installed on your IP address. But if you do involve in financial activities, let us say paying your bills online, doing online shopping, online banking, in
Okay.
that case, we recommend you to use the advanced protection on the IP address. What kind of things do you normally do with the computer and with the tablet?
I usually like so work, like playing games, YouTube, like Facebook, email, that kind of thing.
Okay, no problem, sir. A basic protection will be sufficient for you. If you take it for 1 year, it will cost you $129. If you take it for 3 years, it will cost you $229. And if you take it forever, lifetime license is for $399.
Could you repeat the prices again? Was it 129, 229, and then 499? You said, or 399?
$399.
$399.
$399, $129, $229.
Oh, okay. I mean, I think I'll just go and go. I think I'm just going to go for the lifetime plan then, because I mean, I think that's the best value. I'll just do that. You know, because I need this computer for work, so.
So there will be a lifetime protection, which is for $399. The cost of repairs
Alright.
is $199.99. Now we do not charge you with any taxes on it.
Okay.
Okay. So that's it. You don't have to pay anything extra. That's almost $598.
Okay.
So we'll just keep it even $599. All right. Is it possible for you to write us a check for $599.99, or do you do online banking? You can transfer the funds online.
I mean, can you just build a credit card, because I just gave you the my credit card details.
Okay, you want me to put everything on the card?
Yes, please.
Okay. Now, see, my problem is that it is from a credit union, right?
No, it's not. It's a bank.
Yeah, what's the name of this bank again?
It's Northwatch Bank.
Northwatch Bank, okay. There are a couple of credit cards that are considered very safe and secure. So, in the list of those cards, we have Wells Fargo, Capital One, Chase, American Express, Barclays. Do you have any card from these financial institutes?
I don't think so. This is the only one that I have.
Alright. You see over here, these were the, like we have started identifying the tracking cookies that were a part of your system. Okay.
Okay.
There are two types of cookies: the normal cookies that help you to enhance your browsing experience, and then there are tracking cookies. Tracking cookies are those cookies which are counterfeit or manipulated, which can steal the information from the system. So your
Okay.
computer was attacked by this malware. It's called Disabled Task Manager, which introduced a lot of tracking cookies in the system. That is why you are facing all of these problems. This is on
Okay.
your IP address. Okay.
Okay. So, all right.
Let me get you the security first of all. Hang on a minute, please. Your home seems to be a quiet place.
Sorry, could you say that again, please?
Like normally when I'm saying your home seems to be a quiet place. Normally when I speak with people, I hear a lot of background noises.
Oh, yeah, I'm the only one at home right now.
All right, so I'm going to submit your details and I'm going to process the card for the $399 first.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute, please. I'll have to place your call on hold for a while, sir. I'm checking the availability of the security. Okay?
All right.
Let me do one thing. Let me first get the security installed and then I will be processing the payment. So just leave everything as it is, right?
All right.
And I will call you back. In case in the meanwhile you want to call us, you want to talk to me, then my number is 1-800
Hang on 1 second. 1-800
217
217
1-800-217-8115. Call this number and ask for Roger.
And your name is, you said Roger Summers?
That's right.
All right.
I'll call you back, okay?
All
As
right.
soon as I'm done, I'll call you back.
All right. Thank you. Hello?
Hi, am I speaking with Harry?
Yes, that's me.
This is Roger. I was talking with you earlier.
Okay. So,
So,
is.
sir, the securities have been installed. The
Okay.
computer has been cleaned up properly. This is the network firewall that we have installed for you. And along with this, you also get the SSL security. Now, this security works a little differently. What it will do is it will examine every website that you open in this computer to make sure that these websites are safe or not. Okay.
Okay.
Now, you are not paying anything for this one. This came along with the network firewall. So you got it complimentary.
Okay.
And that is also for the lifetime. I'm going to help you process the payment now, sir.
Okay.
And I have a good news for you. Our records indicate that this is the first time that you are signing up with us, so you got an introductory discount of $100.
Oh,
So now
okay.
instead of $599.99, you are paying only $499.99.
Okay.
I'll quickly help you complete this payment, and then I will help you to complete the documentation of this, okay?
Okay.
Now, while I'm doing the payment, if you have any questions, anything you did not understand, kindly feel free to ask. Like if there is anything that you did not understand, sir, please ask.
Okay.
And did you also make a note of the phone number that I gave you so that in future, if you have any problem, you can call us?
Yeah, it's, what is it, 800-217-8115?
No, 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 no. Look at the very bottom of your computer screen, please.
Okay. Is it the 888-737-7162?
Mm-hmm.
And will that,
That's the number.
alright, and is that gonna be there for is this gonna be
Yeah,
there after I
until
turn
no
off?
one. Yeah, it will be there until you don't remove it from there.
Okay.
It says incorrect payment data. Is
Mm.
this card number valid? Is this
Yeah, let me check to make sure I typed
this
the
the
card
right
number
card
in.
number?
Just give me a second. Oh, where did it go?
Give me 1 minute, please.
Okay.
I'll quickly check if the card number is correct or not. The card number is valid. The expiration date
Yes, it's March 2024.
and the number at the back of the card.
It's 530.
But then, sir, it says incorrect payment data, so there must be something wrong.
Well, I think I might know what's wrong. It's because you're a marachod scammer. Teddy maki chut marachod to scam on hey benchod. Teddy banky chut marachod.
So the payment details are not correct. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
But hold on, before you leave, I gotta show you something, benchod.
What do you want to show?
I want to show you that I have your IP address. Let's pull that up real quick. Hang on. Let me just get that back up right here. Let me show you. Yeah, you're just a marachod scammer. Let's see. Let's see what these scripts do. And so there's your IP address. You're located in Delhi. Is that true?
So what?
What? So what? Well, okay, well, there you go. You're located in Delhi. What the hell does this do? What the hell is this? What the hell did you put on my computer? Does it like... It's probably written in like C# or something. Like some stupid like Visual Basic command thing. It doesn't even do anything. Everything that you did, this is a virtual machine, and you're going to be on my YouTube channel. Do you want me to send you a link to my YouTube channel so you can see it? See yourself?
Yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
Alright,
Send
let me
the
go and
link
do that.
and-
Just give me 1 second. Damn it. What the hell is this guy gonna do now? It's a virtual machine. There's nothing he can delete. Did he really just quit? Oh. Yep, he did. Alright, that's it.